tell you about my presentation is my favorite place. The name of my favorite place is my gardens. I love my garden very much. I have a small garden at home. My garden is full of green. Besides, it has many beautiful plants. Gardening helps us to enjoy the nature by planting various plants. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm all Ishashawad Arabic. My roll number is 24. Today I'm telling my presentation. The name of my presentation is my favorite place. My favorite place is always garden. It's always garden. I have a small garden at home. It is full of green. Besides, it has many beautiful plants. It is a cool place for everyone to relax. Gardening helps us to enjoy the nature by planting various plants. Thank you. My name is Mustain Mahmoud. My role is 11. Today I am going to tell about my favorite place. My favorite place is always the garden because it has many green things. Besides, it has many plants. Besides, it has many plants. So I like to be gardening. Garden help us to the garden helps us nature. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fahim Muntasir Mahir. My roll number is 49. My topic is favorite place. My favorite place is gardens. I have a small garden at home. My garden is full of greens. Besides, it has many beautiful plants. It is a cool place for everyone to relax. I love my garden very much. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdullah Rahim. My roll number is 4. Today I tell you my favorite place. My favorite place is always gardens. I have a small garden at home. My garden is full of green. I like my garden very much. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's me, Miss Samit Hassan Riafi, roll 10. Today I am telling something about my favorite place, Cox's Bazar. My favorite place is Cox's Bazar, the longest sea beach in the world. It is 120 kilometers long. 120 kilometers long. Its nature is calm and beautiful. That's why it attracts everyone. We can go there by bus, train, plane, or etc. The Cox's Bazar is when I'm go, it's pleasure to me and I enjoy this every moment. So I like this place very much. Thank you. তুমি বলবে না বলতে তো
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Saifan Hussain. Roll 37. Today I am going to tell you about my favorite place. My favorite place is always gardens. I have a small garden in my home. At home, it is full of green. Besides, it has many beautiful trees, beautiful plants.
Okay, don't play. Next time.
Muntakim, roll 3. My name is MD Muntakim Mustafa. I read in class 4. Now I am going to tell you about my favorite place. Well, my favorite place is Peaceful Beach. I like to go to the beach because it looks so beautiful. I love the sound of the waves. I also like watching sunsets at the beach. The beach is a perfect place to relax. I also enjoy collecting seashells with my little brother. I love this beach so much. Thank you.
Okay.
My roll number is 31. My favorite place. My favorite place is garden. My favorite place is garden.
It's full green and my relax time and my home has my house has
My name is Nihaduddin, row 22. Tell you about my favorite place. My favorite place is Cox's Bazar. He is longest beach.
Or is your ID card?
Assalamualaikum, my name is Afnan Mahmoud. My favorite place is the park. I go there with my parents and friends. I like to play swings and slides. The park has green grass, tall trees and pretty flowers. Birds sing and I feel happy there. I also like to run and play ball games. The park makes me feel free and joyful. That's why the park is my favorite place. Thank you.
My name is Syam, roll number 30. My favorite place is my school. I read and play there. I love my school. My teachers are very kind. We have game and have fun there. My school very happy place for me. That's why it's my school.
My name is Sajid Asif, roll number 25. My favorite place is my school. I read and play there. My teacher are very kind. My teacher are very kind. We play game and have fun there. School is my favorite happy place for me. That is why I like my school.
Thank you.
My name is Dustin Mirza, roll 41. My favorite place is my school. It is big and beautiful. My teacher are very kind. I love my friend at school. We play games and have fun there. School is my favorite place.
Okay, for the people. Stand together. Tonight is
My favorite place is always garden. I have a small garden at home. My garden is full of green.
চুপ করেছে হ্যাঁ তুমি শুরু করো Yes, sir. Name and role.
My name is Mohammad Tamir Tariq Tazrian. My role is 12. I am going to tell my favorite place. My favorite place is my school. My school is very beautiful. There are 500 students in my school and 16 teachers in my school. My school
My name is Uddin Road 29. My school place
school place is beautiful. My school teacher and 20 kids. My teacher and
My name is Shakibul Hassan, roll 28. My favorite place are always garden. I have small garden at my home. My garden full of green. The garden was beautiful.
Okay.
My name is Azra Fahil. My room number is 6. My favorite place is always gardens, and I have a small gardens at home. My garden is full of green. Besides, it has many beautiful plants. It is a cool place for everyone to relax. Gardening helps us to see the nature by planting various plants. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Misbah Ahmed Mahdi. My role is 2. I'm going to tell about my favorite place. So my favorite place is always gardens. I have a small garden at my home. My garden is full of green. My garden is full of green. It has many beautiful plants. It is a cool place for everyone to relax. Gardening helps us to enjoy the natural by planting various plants. Thanks.
Name Kamasid Digi Arham. Role 43. My favorite place is always garden. I have a small garden at home. My garden is full of green. Besides, it has many beautiful plants. It is a cool place for everyone to relax. Gardening helps us to enjoy by planting various plants. Thank you.
My name is Mohammad Tawfiq. Role 47. My favorite place is always garden. My
Okay.
Faisal Binta Rashid, rule number 27. Favorite place. My favorite place is always garden. I have a small garden at home. My garden is full of green. Besides, it has many beautiful plants. It is a cool place for everyone to relax. My garden is very attractive. I love my garden very much.
Even having rule number 3. Favorite place. My favorite place is garden. I have a small garden at home. My garden full of green. Besides, it has many plants. Beautiful many plants. It's a cool place for everyone. Relax. Gardening helps us enjoy planting various plants.
Nusaiba Rahman, role 13. Topic, favorite place. My favorite place is always gardens. I have a small garden at home. It is full of green. Besides, it has many beautiful plants. It is a cool place for everyone to relax. Gardening helps us to enjoy the nature by planting various plants. Thank you.
Mustarim, 16. Gardening helps Mustarim, 16. Topic, favorite place. My favorite place is always gardens. I have a small garden at home. My garden is full of green. Besides, it has many beautiful plants. It is a cool place for everyone to relax. Gardening helps us to enjoy the nature by planting various plants. Thank you.
My name is Momita Jahan Tahira, roll number 33. Topic, favorite place. My favorite place is always garden. I have a small garden at home. My garden is full of green. Besides, it has many beautiful plants. Gardening helps us to enjoy the nature by planting plants. Thank you.
Ibrahim.
Jinat Sultana, roll number 14. My favorite place is always gardens. I have a small garden at home. My garden is full of green. Besides, it has many beautiful plants. It is cool. Everyone to relax. Gardening help us to enjoy the nature by planting various plants. Thank you.
Onindita, 38. Topic, favorite place. My favorite place is most favorite place is a gardens. I have a small garden at home. My garden is full green. My garden is very attractive. I have a beautiful garden. I like my garden very much.
Favorite place. I love my garden.
Roll and name.
Nishra. 80. Row 80. Favorite place. My favorite place is garden. I love my garden. My favorite place is garden.
I will like to say. Okay.
Varsha, 36. Topic, favorite place. My favorite place is always garden. I have a small garden at home. My garden is full of green. It has many beautiful plants. It is cool place for everyone.
Jonathan Fire, 48. Topic, my favorite place. My favorite place is
Look at the
always
camera. Look at the camera.
My favorite place is always garden. I have a small garden in front of my house.
Fine.
It has beautiful plants and flower. My garden is cool place for everyone. I like my garden very much.
তোমরা জন্য অপেক্ষা করো। তুমি স্ট্যান্ড বিহাইন্ড বিসাইড একটু সঙ্গে তুমি প্র্যাকটিস
39. My favorite place is always garden. My favorite place is always garden. My garden is full of green. It has beautiful plants. It is a cool place for everyone to relax. My garden is very attractive and I love my garden very much.
একটু মিষ্টি জিজ্ঞেস করতে আর